Welcome. My name is Derek Wren. I'm the AEC Technical Manager for Kelar Pacific. Kelar Pacific is based in Southern California. We have offices in San Diego, Los Angeles, and Orange County, serving that Southern California market. Kelar Pacific is a gold partner with Autodesk for the AEC community. We're also a consulting specialized dealer, allowing us to help bring you up to speed quicker with some of your main issues that you're having in your BIM packages. And with that said, we'd like to bring to you a host of new product types known as AEC Project Startup. These are implementation packages that will help you get more productive and more profitable through these scenarios. First of all, who are we? Well, for nearly 3 decades, Kelar Pacific has been helping design and construction companies sustain and grow their business utilizing the latest technology. We provide complete building, infrastructure design software solutions from Autodesk as one of the most complete AEC solution providers in our industry. Let's talk first of all about some of the current realities for the AEC market. From economic pressures, evolving contractual structures, innovative technology, and sustainable design requirements, using BIM technology today can be quite an undertaking. So what solutions can we provide to help you? Well, first of all, just a little bit about building information modeling, as most of you probably know. Building information modeling, known as BIM, making consultants, owners, contractors come together in a much better integrated format for sharing data, meeting project deadlines, and saving money on projects. With that said, it's also an undertaking and a new pressure for a consultant, a client, to get up to speed with these softwares as quickly as possible and to be as productive as quickly as possible. This year, Autodesk released their new Autodesk Building Design Suite. And the Autodesk Building Design Suite will help you design, document, visualize, simulate, and build more effectively. It provides us with a new workflow that we haven't had before and allows us to process information differently through multiple projects and products. As you see on this screen, the Building Design Suites are a host of different products, whether it's Navisworks, Revit products, or AutoCAD, and any of those in between, depending on whether you go for the standard, premium, or ultimate package. These bundles improve workflow, productivity, and profitability. And with that said, a requirement to learn these products and again get up to speed as quick as possible. Here's just a quick glance at the products that come in these packages. From standard, premium, and ultimate, these include software products from AutoCAD to the vertical products, to some products you haven't even probably heard of before, such as Showcase and Sketchbook, our traditional BIM products for Revit Architecture, Revit MEP, and Revit Structure, and the high quality of rendering and visualization through Autodesk 3ds Max Design. Also included in that ultimate package is the Autodesk Navisworks Manage, the preferred choice for contractors for clash detection and timelining. With that said, I'd like to talk a little bit to you about our BIM implementation solution packages. Our first package, known as AEC Project Startup Standard, is a BIM solution that will provide you a bundle of different modules that will help you get up to speed quickly. So let's talk about our standard BIM solution first of all. We start out with the design process assessment, which is basically an interview process and a documentation process to find out who you are, where your weaknesses and strengths are, and create from that a roadmap for deployment to put you on the right direction. This package also includes certification testing for existing users and can also be used to gauge the experience level of new users after the program. It includes introduction training, intermediate training, and also, even more importantly, mentoring on site after your training and starting your new project. We'll even kick in a new Revit initial startup template creation to get you moving a little quicker. Our next package, the AEC Project Startup Premium, includes all of the standard package and in addition, A day of Revit family content creation, probably one of the most important things needed for a new user to Revit for the content they require. We'll add another 10 hours of mentoring for on-site as we go through your project. And we'll also come in for a day and investigate your hardware, making sure that you're up to speed with what's required for the size of your project and the software that maybe you've not used before. We'll give you access to online videos of our existing workshops. We'll also get you access to Kelar Pacific technical staff through our phone support, our web interface, and help you get going when you need the help most. Our third package, the AEC Project Startup Ultimate BIM Solution, includes all of the premium package, which also includes the standard package, and also brings you advanced, customizable training for when needed through that project as you advance. We'll get you access to live event workshops. Kelar Pacific hosts many workshops and webinars throughout the year on multiple products. These usually have a cost associated to them, and we'll let you come to those for a full year to keep you moving on your projects. We'll also provide you a post-assessment known as BIM Health Check. This BIM Health Check will come in after your first project, interview the staff again, and take a look at your projects and let you know where you might be more productive, where you might have went wrong, and what you're doing right. We'll also include a family creation startup package for some of that content that you need. And of course, more mentoring on site for when needed. Just a quick note about BIM implementation. There are 4 phases of the consultative methodology. They're known as assess, plan, solve, and confirm. These 4 phases are used to gather data, put it into a plan, and bring it to you in a package that will get you the solutions you're required. The assess phase is used to gather and analyze information. The plan phase is to take that data and develop a comprehensive implementation plan. The solve phase will carry out that implementation plan. And then we'll sit down with you in the confirm phase, look over what happened, and make sure we're both successful, because your success is our success. Just a quick note on the BIM Health Check. Kelar Pacific's BIM Health Check is a solution that's a post-implementation assessment aimed at checking how efficiently you are using Revit software. Over a period of multiple days, up to a maximum of 5 days, depending on the agreement, we will go through it with your team and provide interviews and analysis of the project files and talk about some of the strengths and weaknesses that happened in your implementation. With that said, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Kelar Pacific directly. Or again, I'm the AEC Technical Manager. Feel free to email me at derek.ren@kelarpacific.com. Thanks again.